My morning just started with a job interview which went pretty freaking amazing. So it can pretty much just go uphill from here. So welcome to my vlog and let's get into it. I changed up the scenery. You have now entered my bathroom and I decided to kind of cut my hair because the ends are pretty dead. On top of that, I bought this. It's a hair color thing. I was just thinking, why not go brunette? Because I'm pretty much turning brunette. I used to be this blonde, but now I'm this, and I do not want to be brunette, but why not just own up to it and try to see how it would look if I actually turn brunette? How bad can it go? Because I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, I'm just gonna go for it because I don't think it's gonna be bad. Just right over. Oi, maybe that was a bit too much. Oi. I really did not think this through. I mean, it feels great. It feels great. It's... There we go. I am not confident anymore. I'm not... I mean... but who cares? You know, who really cares about hair? It's just there on your head, chilling. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's so fine. Let's just dye my hair right now. I think you just... Ooh. Oh, snap. Girl. I'm painting my hair, guys. This is one side, this is the other. It's kind of the same vibe, you know? So I think we got one of the sides. Let's do this side as well. No. No. Sunny, you're such an idiot. It hurts real bad. I don't think I recommend this because it says it's for the roots and not for the whole hair. I kinda get it now. I'm just gonna show you how blonde my hair was before starting. What? It's not pretty, but it's not ugly. But it's not pretty. So I think this will only last until I take a shower. Let's go down to my mom. I want to see her reaction because she's gonna be real excited. She's gonna tell me to go to the hairdresser ASAP. Vad syns det? What do you think?
Yes, I like it.
And every time I touch it, my hair...
Oh god, it's gonna come off all the time.
But this is what I will turn into when I get older.
Get older, then you're gonna get grey.
Sir?
You're never gonna
Why?
Because you're my daughter. You're never gonna
Yeah, but I am my father's daughter as well, and he's black.
Well, he's bald, so that's okay.
But I did cut my hair though, and does it look okay?
Yes. Well, no, not at all actually.
Really?
No.
Is it bad?
Very bad.
Is it?
Yes. Not only home cut, it's cut by yourself, that's for sure.
I just took this scissor and went like zoom.
Yeah, that we can see.
Oh.
Let's try though.
Oh no. When I touch my face, it turns dark.
Yes.
This is so inconvenient.
This looks like a bad self-tan.
Ah! What should I do? Wash it off?
Shower. Yeah.
No, but then I need to take some photos first. Like, oh my god, I'm brunette. Do you like my hair?
Yes.
You didn't even look?
No, I did.
I look sick because I'm so pale and this dark hair makes me even more pale. Just finished my interview and it was a group interview. That is scary, guys. That is actually because you feel like you want to say something, but then you don't want to interrupt, and then you also don't want to talk too much. But I did wash out my hair, so I literally just colored it for 20 minutes, washed it out. So I'm back to normal. And I know I just mentioned that I looked pale, but I still look pale with blonde hair, so I don't think it's there. Okay, next time you'll see me, I will be even shorter and nicer. At least my hair. This is the final result. Fresh cut, and I feel like a new person.
now we are headed for the gym. We're gonna do one of our weekly sessions. Today is gonna be chest, try, and some abs. We just finished our session, and now the struggle is that Sunny doesn't know which paper she wanna have.
I'm gonna buy the cheap ones. Paper is paper.
Paper is paper.
Yeah.
So Sunny's
Okay,
gonna...
this way.
This way. We have bought some amazing pastry. Sunny hasn't tasted them yet, so it's gonna be experience.
Think fast.
Nice.
Think fast.
Think fast.
Think fast. I just gave Sunny her biggest challenge so far. She was supposed to cut it in 3 equal parts, but I guess her brain just still loading.
It's still loading. So the first bun we're gonna try is
the one I've been looking forward to, the chocolate bun.
I don't know.
No, I liked it.
It's just the chocolate bun.
I guess it tastes like the classic buns you get at the gas station.
Let's try the one I'm the most excited about. Pistachio bun.
It has small bits of pistachio, and inside it has some kind of green filling.
Cheers.
Cheers. Whoa.
There's a lot of flavors.
But it was better than the chocolate one.
Yeah, I agree, but it's not like,
Oh my god.
No. It's not the best one yet.
the best is yet to come.
Yeah. So we're gonna try the classic Norwegian.
Which is called skolebolle.
I don't know why it's called school bun. It has nothing to do with school. Cheers. Just hold on. Sunny's gonna go get the vacuum.
A solid 10 out of 10.
The classic bun.
The last and final one is the cinnamon bun.
And this is the bun the shop is famous for.
Cheers.
Okay, cheers again for the final time.
Not my favorite.
I guess solid second place.
Very nice bun.
Bun.
I'm gonna wash my hair once more to get all the color out, by the way. But yeah, I think that's a wrap. Do you have anything more to say?
No, I just want to end this video so I can eat all the buns.
Bye guys!
See you in a week, next Sunday.